how to get PPPoE password from the TP-Link router. Alright guys, so your first step would be to log into your router dashboard. So connect to your Wi-Fi, then open the router's IP address in the browser. Now once you've done this, go ahead and enter your ID and then your password and simply log in or log in with the router. Alright, so once you've logged in, go into the internet or the WAN settings. So navigate to network or internet settings, then find the PPPoE section here and then simply change the password. So you can check the username and password field you usually see for your PPPoE username, but the password is often hidden, so you need to change the password here and then just simply click on save to simply save this action. Now once you're done, if the password is hidden, you could just simply directly reveal it by trying some options such as contacting your internet service provider or resetting the POE password from the ISP portal, that is this portal here. You could just simply reset the password, and last but not least, you could use your router backup config, which is for the advanced users only. Alright guys,